Hi boys and girls, it's Mr. Simpson here with Miss Foley. Hi boys and girls. And I'm here to do two experiments with you. I got my science journal and I want to do two experiments with you. The first one's going to take a whole day to do. We'll start it today and then you'll have to check on it tomorrow. The second one we can do right now. So I'll get ready to get all the things together. I'll get ready to write in my science journal and then we'll get started. So the first experiment is going to need a raw egg, and it's going to need some vinegar, and I've already poured the vinegar into a cup. Now, this is something a trusted adult will help you with, and what I've done is in my science journal, there's that Petri page, nothing's changed. I keep checking on my Petri, but nothing's changed yet. There's that Delilah experiment. I'm wondering what's happening with that. Static electricity experiment. I know that people had fun with that. My egg experiment. So vinegar, egg, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the egg inside the vinegar. Now I've made a prediction down here. It says, I think the egg will melt. So we have to wait a whole day for this to happen. So I'm going to drop it in carefully so it doesn't break. And then, things are happening already. Interesting. I'm using my eyes. I can even use my sense of smell. I'm smelling the vinegar. But I'm going to find a safe place to put this and let it stay for a whole day and see what happens and see maybe my prediction of the egg will melt will come true. Let's find out. Second experiment was a challenge someone gave me. They said I needed some ice, some salt, some string, some water, and they asked, can you pick up ice with a string? So, I got some ice, I've got some water, I've got some string, I've got some salt, and I'm going to see, can I pick up some ice with water? So I started thinking, I'm going to get some ice here. Let's put some ice on the plate. There's one ice, two ice. That should be good. And I have the string. And I'm going to pause the video and see what you can do with it. So I'm going to play around and see, can I pick up the ice with water? Maybe I'll tie it. I'll see what happens. Anyways, I'll pause the video, let you guys decide what you're going to do at your house. And then we'll come back and see what's going on. I did not have a lot of luck trying to get the ice picked up with the string. But then I remembered my friend said I needed salt and water. So I'm going to try something else. Maybe I'll dip the string in the water. See if that helps. Get it all wet, because sometimes wet things are sticky. So that's my thinking. Maybe now the string is sticky and it will pick up the ice. Nope, that's not happening. Well, my friend did say salt too. And I know in the winter time I use salt to try to melt ice on my slippery sidewalk. Maybe I can put some salt on, see if that helps. Now, when I put it on my sidewalk, it doesn't melt right away. I have to wait. So maybe I'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's try picking up the string. Hey! I now have an answer to the question of, can you pick up ice with a string? And the answer is yes. Try this at your house. See if you can pick up ice with a string. I want to remember this experiment, so I recorded it in my science journal. A wet string placed on ice and sprinkled with salt can pick up ice. Now I'll remember. My science journal is a great place for helping me remember cool observations and science experiments.